Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Astro-Jyotish. My name is Sunil and this is part 2 of horoscope analysis of sports personalities where I'll be covering the two horoscopes of Prakash Padukone and Saina Nehwal. There's another part of this video where I have covered Sachin Tendulkar's and Virat Kohli's horoscope in detail. So let's continue with Prakash Padukone horoscope. Prakash Padukone. So I think you all know is also father of Deepika Padukone. So let's look at his chart and see. I think you will see the contrast. How powerful yogas were in the other chart, and how are they in Prakash Padukone's chart. So let's see here what's happening. Here you can see again the ascendant. Okay, it's an Aries, so that means Mars. Again, Mars coming into picture, and which has gone into the third house. Third, and what about the Lord of sixth house, Mercury? Mercury has also gone into third house. Focus is all coming. You see, third house is becoming strong. Yeah. So Mars, Mercury, both in here. Okay. And what Mars is also aspecting the 10th house from his eighth aspect. So 10th house is coming into equation. Jupiter is aspecting Moon. Okay, and it forms Raj Yoga with ninth house. So you see, so Jupiter is the lord of ninth, sitting into Kendra. That's a Raj Yoga, and aspecting Moon. Okay, uh, then you have got Saturn, tenth lord. Can you see Saturn here? Okay, it's the lord of Saturn. It's again sitting in seventh house. As per Bhavat Bhav rule, seventh. This is also your house of karma because it's 10th from 10th. Okay, so there also you have Saturn connected. So you see all in D1 it shows somebody who would be in sports and who will be successful in sports as well. Look at Rahu connecting with Mars. Again, you have a connection over here. Let's look at D10. So now D1 ascendant, where is Mars? Where is the focus? Look, the focus is again into the third house. Okay, and also if you see it's bhavottam, it's in the same bhava. So here it was in third house, here also in third house, which makes Mars very strong. If you have bhavottam or vargotami planets in your divisional chart, then those planets are very strong planets. So that shows Mars is really strong in this chart clearly. Okay. Um, so then we look at Saturn, 10th lord of D1. So Saturn is what? Look at here. Okay. So Capricorn, which lord is Saturn. Where is Saturn? Saturn is again into the ninth house, house of fortune, aspecting Mars. Okay. And Mars aspecting Saturn, you can say both way, right? So that essentially shows again kind of his Sangharsh Yoga. So he will fight, but his destiny will kind of support his fight, his fate, and he will be a success. He will get the success. Saturn also aspects the sixth house because it's the Lord and also and sixth house Lord. Where has it gone? It has gone into ninth house. Okay, so you see a connection of sixth house. Now let's look at the 10th and 11th house. So 10th house, Mercury. Where is Mercury? If you see, Mercury is gone into the 11th house, desire fulfillment. So desire will get fulfilled, right? Um, of his, whatever his karmas are from the 10th house. Okay, so again, Saturn is also aspecting the Mercury, the planet Mercury here. So you can see here again Mars, Saturn, Mercury, sixth house, 10th house, how they are all kind of playing role um, in making one a sports hero. So if you see here, the dasha he got Mars, Rahu, Jupiter, Saturn, and you can see how all these dashas are connected because Jupiter was aspecting Mars. Okay, Rahu, how is that connected? Look, Rahu. So Mercury aspecting Rahu, Rahu aspecting Mercury. Okay, so this is now let's look at Saina Nehwal's birth chart, and you all know Saina won Olympic medal as well in badminton. So in her Lagna Kundali, if you see, Mercury is the ascendant lord, which has gone into the 10th house. Okay, um, and it's also making a Parivartan yoga. So the Lagna and the 10th are making a Parivartan yoga. See, Mercury has moved in here, and then Jupiter, Lord of 10th house, gone into Lagna. This is again because Jupiter, it's a benefic planet which is involved in Parivartan yoga. It's a very strong yoga. Okay, and the focus, if you see again, is on karma on 10th house. Let's look at the planet Mars. Okay, so planet Mars, if you see, it's in the 8th house, and eighth house which aspects third house, the third house which is key from his eighth aspect. And Mars is exalted as it is in the sign of Capricorn. Okay, uh, so this makes Mars very powerful planet. Okay, Sun, which is the Lord of third house. Where is the third house Lord God? It has gone into the Sun again. Um, this is again based on our sutras. Um, this is a clear indication somebody who would be into sports. Uh, what about Saturn? So we have looked at Mars. Let's look at Saturn. So Saturn is forming Raj Yoga. So if you see, Saturn is the lord of ninth house sitting into Kendra. So it's forming Raj Yoga. And Moon, what is Moon? Moon is the mind. It is in sixth house. So mind is always about this battlefield, thinking about the battlefield. Okay, um, so that's what the promise shows in the D1 or the Lagna Kundali. In D10 or Dashamsha, what we have, let's look at Mars. Mars is in the third house, house of courage. Okay, and it aspects the karma house, the 10th house. Then Jupiter. Jupiter is the 10th lord. Jupiter is the 10th lord here of D1. Where is Jupiter gone into D10? It's in 11th house of desire. Okay, um, and then Jupiter also aspects the third house. This is Mars, so from its fifth aspect. So again, third house is coming into play. So you see here again, your third, sixth, 10th, 11th, all houses, they are all involved. Um, again, you can see Mars and Rahu linkage in this chart as well. So this, I think, helps in understanding how the sutras play a vital role in establishing someone who is likely to make a successful career in sports. So I hope, guys, this has helped in gaining some interest in astrology. So thank you for watching this video.